Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to take input from user, what is input and how to print output. Now we will see what is input. The input is some data taken from system or user from console or shell. How to take input from user? The user entered some value using keyboard is a input. Whatever you enter as a input, the input function converts it into string. If you enter integer value, still it will convert it into string. If you want to take number input from a user, you need to perform type conversion. Now we will see how to print output on console. Python has a built-in function print to display output to the standard output device like screen, console or shell. Now we will see the example which has roll number, name and marks. Using input function, we are taking the values from the console. For printing values, we are using print function giving argument roll number, marks and name. Now save the program and run. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe.